Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. Hey, we're out here on the back three-season porch. You can see we got all our plastic up here. We have our door left to do. We're going to show you how we're going to work on the door. But basically what we did is we put these twisties on there. They're twist locks. They're marine stuff. We're going to show you all that in detail. Amazon links below to shop. Definitely supports the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Post notifications on My Two Good Hands, where you're going to save some money on your home projects, or your shop projects, or your car projects. So let's talk about what we're going to do here. Since we've got to figure out where this is and take the door out, one of the things we're going to do is mark it with tape, because we don't want to put our fabric and get it pinched in any of these spots, or this spot where the edge is. So we're going to take a couple small pieces of tape, and we are going to mark the door on the sides and the bottom. We're just going to come in here like this. Oh, that one's good. Take it back down. Put a couple on this side. Down here one. Put another one down here. There we go. So we got that. We'll get our screwdriver, take that door out. We'll have to go outside for that one, and then we'll bring it in here. There we go. Now we can kind of open the door like this and just kind of pop it loose and bring it inside, just like this. We're going to set this on the floor, and then we're going to get you moved where you can see it. There we go. Okay. So now we've got this down, and we know that where the top and bottom is. And you can look at this. I have two of these twist locks at the bottom, and I have three at the top. So we're just going to kind of bring it up here and bring it all the way up as best we can. Kind of line it up here. There, it's down on there. Okay. We can bring it up just a little bit here. So you want to get these twist locks on the frame. That's pretty good right there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, then we're going to work. That's going to be perfect. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take a pen, and we're going to mark the three up at the top here. You can see the three I got right here. I'm going to mark these. Now what we're going to do is just come in here. Mark these three. Move this back a little bit. That's where they're going to go. Got all of our parts here. And we're going to need three of these out for here. You can also take these pieces of tape off. We won't need those anymore. Take them off. Now the question is, can we start a screw in this plastic without drilling? And we don't know yet. We're just going to try it. And the answer is maybe. And maybe not. So what we did was we brought ourselves a real fine drill out so we could do a little hole drilling. There we go. Looks like that's what we're going to have to do. We can also take our other ones that we laid out here, kind of line them up and drill a hole for it. Okay, put this down here, put that down there. Now we can bring this up, put it over here. Here we go. Now we pull this up this way. You can see where we're at. Now you can see here where we're at. I'm going to push this up this way. Now what we're going to do is, you see those, we know we need to be within that. We need to have the tape not showing, or the tape showing just a little bit. And we're going to pull it just like this. And we're going to circle this right here. We got that one done. Fold this back. Get out our one snap piece here. We're going to put one in, then we'll put the other one in. We got it all pulled real snug. Now we can pull that over that. That's nice and tight, and we can see our tape. It's beautiful. Got one more to do here. Pull this one down, straight down here. Draw down here. Again, get one of these and mark it up. Here we go. Now you can see how we've got that all the way around. We're going to pick this stuff here. Now it's a matter of taking this outside, flipping it up, and putting it back in the hole. So, I put this back in the opening. Bring it outside and turn it around here. When you're putting this back, you'll find it sits lower now. So what you have to do is get one of your screws, get it through the hole in the hinge, like this, and then lift it up a little to get it in the hole. And what I like to do is just bring that one all the way in. That's all the way in. Now I do the same thing down here with the screw. Again, you can push up on this a little bit here. Come in and close the door. Now the door's back in. Get our piece of canvas for the door. Come up here, put it on the center of the door. Come over here, put it. And put it again over here. Okay, I'll push that open a little. Do that. There we go. Now I'm going to come down here and pull that over. Pull this over. And we made a little cutout for the handle so we can open it. And then we can close it back. There you go. we're all good. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Use the Amazon links to shop. Help support the channel. We greatly appreciate all the support. If you like and subscribe, the next thing we're going to do is we'll put a TV out here. So there'll be another video on that. Got a simple bracket off of Amazon. It was easy. Here's what we did. So now we are enclosed. It's a little warmer in here already now that I fixed that one leak. We are going to look at putting another clip because we got some blow here. So we're going to add another clip somewhere along here. We've got to figure out where we're going to put it. But we want to give these a few days to shrink in the sun. So we'll catch you in the next video soon.